guys, my name is Cynthia. Welcome to NARDY'S kitchen. If you are new here, thank you for coming, thank you for clicking on our videos. As you watch our videos, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell such that when we upload new videos you will be able to watch them. And to our old subscribers, thank you for your love, thank you for your support. In this episode of NARDY'S kitchen, we are going to be cooking today one of the African snacks. You can also call it banana fritters. It is made from the mixture of smashed bananas together with starch, divided into small portions, and then you deep fry them. So let's go through our ingredients to see what we are going to be needing for this snack. We are going to be needing bananas, bananas and starch. This is our starch. So we have to mash the bananas, and also blender. We need blender to blend the starch before mixing it. So first we need to prepare our starch. Take off the peelings. That is you have to cut it in small portions like this to make it easy to get the peeling off. mixing the mashed bananas and starch. If it is too soft like mine, you can add a bit of yellow garri in order to thicken it a bit. You have to put it in portions in order to get the texture that you want. So now, after mixing it, we need to divide it into small portions. Before that, you have to wash your hands. The shape doesn't need to be perfect. Banana fritters. Our oil is already hot, so we just drop it inside the hot oil. So after dropping it in the hot oil, you let it fry for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then until it is golden brown. When it is golden brown, you can then take it out from the hot oil. That means it's ready. So you have to check your banana fritters from time to time. You can see it still needs some time. It's not yet golden brown, so we'll leave it for some more time. So as you can see, our banana fritters are still frying. We are frying on low heat because if the heat is too high, it will just get the golden brown color outside, but the inside will still be raw. So you have to make sure it's on low heat, not on high heat, so that the inside will also get ready. So you will not have golden brown on the outside, meanwhile the inside is still raw. As you can see, our banana fritters are ready. So we check them to see how they are. You can see it's crunchy. Look at that. And soft, moist on the inside, crunchy on the outside. So that is how we get our African banana fritters. So if you have been watching up to this point, please subscribe, like our channel, comment and share. Also hit the notification bell so that when we upload new videos, you will get the notification and watch them to learn more about African dishes.